Hello, my friends. Thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. We have a total of 32 natural numbers from 1 to 32. If we select two of them for the following operations, we calculate the summation and the product of the two numbers, and then replace the original two numbers with this summation and the product. For example, we select 12 and 2, their summation is 14, and the product is 24, so we use 14 and 24 to replace 12 and 2. If we repeat this operation, how many steps do we need to remove every odd number? Why not give a try, and we will come back soon. The amount of the natural numbers here may puzzle us a little bit. In fact, no matter it is 32, 64, or 128, it really doesn't matter. Why? Let's take a look at how to reduce the amount of odd numbers. If we select two even numbers, their summation and product are also both even. So this has nothing to do with the odd numbers. If you select one odd and one even number, although their product is even, their summation is odd. That is to say, the amounts of odd numbers are both 1 before and after the operation, and there is no change. Therefore, this selection is not helpful for the reduction of the amount of odd numbers. If we want to reduce the amount of odd numbers, we have to select two odd numbers. Their summation is even, but the product is still odd. So the amount of odd numbers is reduced by 1. However, the problem is that two odd numbers have to be selected to reduce the amount, but there must be another odd number in the result. In this process, as long as the amount of odd numbers is not smaller than 2, it will always be reduced. But when there are only 2 left, after this step there will be only 1 left. And there is no way to make this selection again. So the answer is that, no matter how many steps, we can never remove every odd number. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.